Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by setting the correct aspect ratio and project name so export matches your platform. Open ClipChamp, click New Project, and pick 16, 9 for landscape or 9:16 for vertical. This avoids reformatting later. Then import your clips and audio by dragging them into the media bin or using record. Once done, drag a primary clip to the timeline to create a sequence. This instantly sets resolution and frame rate, so make sure those match your source to prevent jitter. You now refine timing and flow, trim edges for pacing, split to remove mistakes, and use snap to align cuts precisely. For smoother flow, add transitions between clips sparingly, too many distract. Layer overlays and text on higher tracks to keep visuals clear, and use picture-in-picture for reactions. Then fix sound, normalize, duck music under dialogue, and reduce noise. This improves perceived quality. Finally, apply color correction or presets to match shots. Consistent color ties the whole edit together. You finish by previewing the full timeline and watching for sync, pops, or missing media. When ready, click Export, choose Resolution and Quality. MP4 at the target platform's resolution is usually best, and start rendering. Save a master file and a delivery copy with lower bitrate for uploads. If export fails, try clearing ClipChamp's cache, lower export bitrate, or export in 2 parts then stitch them. This resolves most failures. Finally, upload or share directly from the app to complete delivery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.